English practice with Lengo cards. 10 action verbs. Cut.
She cuts the cucumber for the salad.
Drive.
He drives to the store.
Ride.
She rides her bike to work.
Watch.
He watches TV in the evening.
Like.
He asks you to hit the like button if you found this video interesting. Thank you.
Listen.
She listens to music.
Touch.
Lily touches his arm to show her support.
Think.
She thinks about her future plans.
Make.
Ella makes a cake for her friend's birthday.
Subscribe.
They ask you to click the subscribe button and join our channel. Thank you.
Give.
He gives a flower to her.
Take.
Granddad takes a gift from his granddaughter.